If you're a contractor, freelancer, or small business owner looking for an affordable and reliable payment processing solution, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into Wave Payments to see if it's right for your business. We'll cover its features, fees, how it stacks up against the competition, and ultimately if it deserves a place in your business toolkit. So let's get started. But real quick, before we get started, I just wanted to mention at the end of the video, we're going to show you how to set up your account with Wave Payments. So be sure to stick around because you won't want to miss that. Wave Payments is an integrated processing service built right into Wave's free accounting software. This means that you get seamless access to invoicing, income and expense tracking, and payment processing all in one place. It's designed to make life easier for self-employed workers, contractors, and small business owners who need a simple yet effective financial management tool. Now let's take a closer look at some of the features that Wave Payments offers. Wave Payments allows you to process card not present transactions and ACH payments. In terms of invoicing, Wave offers customizable invoicing templates with the ability to set up recurring invoices and unlimited invoicing at no cost. This is great for maintaining cash flow and ensuring timely payments. In terms of fees, Wave uses a flat rate pricing model. So Visa, MasterCard, and Discover are charged at this 2.9% plus 60 cents, but American Express is charged at 3.4% plus the 60 cents. And for ACH transfers, they charge 1% with a minimum $1 fee. Let's talk about integration with Wave accounting. One of the biggest advantages of using Wave Payments is the seamless integration with Wave's accounting software. This means that your invoicing and payment processing are directly linked to your financial records, simplifying the bookkeeping process. Now, of course, Wave Payments isn't the only payment option out there, and we'll briefly just cover a couple of its competitors. So first is Square. Firstly, Square does not charge higher fees for American Express, and they offer lower rates for in-person payments. They also have a more extensive suite of tools for businesses of different sizes. So next is Stripe, and they integrate with many businesses and offer lower processing rates. They also have additional payment types and international payments, but Stripe does require a little bit of technical skill to implement. Then we have PayPal, which supports multiple currencies, which makes it great for international transactions, and they also do not charge a higher rate for American Express. But the pricing structure for PayPal can get a bit confusing compared to Wave's straightforward model. Lastly, let's talk about QuickBooks payments, and this is really ideal if you're using QuickBooks for accounting. But if not, it doesn't really offer any advantages over Wave, so just keep that in mind. So let's briefly sum up some of the pros and cons of Wave Payments. The first one is that it's integrated with Wave accounting. They have free invoicing and expense tracking. It's a simple flat rate pricing. It's an extremely user-friendly interface. It makes it easier for your clients to pay you, and it's going to look more professional and keep you organized. Let's talk about some cons. The first one is that it has higher transaction fees when compared to some competitors. Now, this is likely because the platform is free to use for the basic accounting tools, so just keep that in mind. If you're going to use a product like QuickBooks instead, they have a higher monthly fee and lower transaction fees. Another downside for Wave is that they don't offer any support for in-person payments like a company like Square does. So if this is very important to you and you need to accept in-person payments, then this is not going to be a good option for you. And lastly, there's limited advantages for larger businesses. Wave Payments is going to be a great option for smaller and medium-sized businesses, but if you're a larger business, you're going to need more functionality and capabilities from your payment platform. So now that we know the pros and cons of Wave Payments, let's go ahead and get into showing you how to set up your account with Wave Payments. So we have a special link down below in the description. Be sure to click that link and we can join here together to show you how to set up your account with Wave Payments. So once you've clicked on that link down below, it should bring you to a page that's similar to this, and we can just go ahead and click sign up in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, let's just go ahead and enter our email and password here. And once you're ready with that, just go ahead and click get started. So let's just go ahead and enter our first and last name here like it says, and then the name of our business, and then it's asking us what business or industry we are in. So let's just go ahead and enter that now. And then it's also going to ask us the structure of our business, whether we're a sole proprietorship or an LLC or a corporation. You can also put other here as well. All right, on the next page, it's going to ask us what year we started our business. So let's go ahead and enter that. And then it's also going to ask us how many customers we have. And then the next question is, do we currently accept online payments? You can go ahead and answer what is best for your business. Next, it's going to ask us what we would like to do with Wave. Now, there's a couple different options here, but you can also just choose not sure yet if you don't know. And after that, it'll bring you to this page where you get to choose a plan that you want to start with. Now, the starter plan is $0 and it has all of the basic accounting features that you're going to need, but the pro plan is only $16 per month. It's a little bit more expensive. You get better credit card rates, and it also has more advanced features. So in terms of credit card fees or rates, you're not going to pay that additional 60 cents per transaction. So basically for Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, you're paying that 2.9%, and then for Amex, you're paying 3.4%. Where on the starter plan, you're paying 60 cents per transaction, so that can add up if you have a lot of transactions. Just keep that in mind. And in the pro plan, you're going to get more features like automate late payment reminders, auto import bank transactions, digitally capture receipts and expenses, auto merge and customize categories. You can add users to your account, account. You can access live support, and then it also has a couple new features like adding attachments to your invoices and estimates, creating reusable message templates, and managing account transactions in your mobile app. So I'll just show you how to upgrade to the Pro option if you'd like to do that. If not, go ahead and continue with the starter one, but we can just show you how to set up the Pro account now. So go ahead and click upgrade to Pro, and then once you've done that, you can go ahead and proceed to checkout here. It's just going to ask you for your name and email. Then it's going to ask you for your zip code. Go ahead and put that in, and your state. And then next it's just going to ask you to put in your payment details. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, and once you've done that, go ahead and click next. And then when you're ready to complete your order and everything looks good, just go ahead and click pay $16 and subscribe. All right, and once you've done that and you're inside the Wave software, it should look something like this on the dashboard. So on the left-hand side here, you'll see all the features of Wave. Let's just go ahead and go to sales and payment, and we can show you some of the features here. So if you go under estimates, it'll show you here how to create the perfect template, and we can just go ahead. It looks great. Let's go. And then that will allow us to start creating the estimate. So we can go to add item here, and you can see that you can put in the item name, the description, the price, the income account, whether it's sales or shipping and delivery, or you can add others. And then also the sales tax if you need that, and you can create a new tax here at the bottom. If you want to add a discount, you can go ahead and do that, and then you can specify the amount here, or you can just delete it. And then these are also valid within the days that you say. You can adjust those settings up here in the top right hand corner. Okay, in terms of invoicing, we can do the same thing here. So all of the invoices that you create are going to pop up here, and to do that, just go ahead and click create an invoice in the top right hand corner. You can give this invoice a name, you can browse your files, and then you can add a customer. You can also give it an invoice number, a date, and then add all the items and the description. And then you'll see here you can also do a discount at the bottom right as well. Now let's go to payment setup, and we can go ahead and get started here and show you how to do this. So basically it's going to walk you through these 6 steps to verify your business and payment setup. So let's just go ahead and do a little bit of this here. We'll do sole proprietorship, and then we'll go ahead and put our business information in here and our website. And then if you sell services or a product, you can go ahead and specify that here. And then it's going to ask you for your EIN number. You can also say I don't have one, and then we can go ahead and continue here. So once we've done that, it'll ask us a little bit about ourselves here. So we can enter our legal name, address, phone number, and date of birth. And then it's also going to ask us our social security number. So be sure that you have that ready. Once you've done that, you have to choose the bank that you want to connect with. So let's just go ahead and connect our Chase account here. And then you'll go ahead and put in the routing number and the account number here as well. All right, and once you've connected your bank account here, you can just go ahead and click save and continue. And then to verify that everything is true, all you have to do is submit a passport, driver's license, or identification, and you can start this process here now. So basically it's just going to walk you through this verification process. Let's just do driver's license. And then you can continue on the mobile app. You can take a photo using your webcam, or you can upload the file to this device. And then once you finish with that, you'll be all set up and ready to go for your payments. Some other things you can do here is set up recurring invoices. So let's go ahead and check that out. And then basically this looks exactly like the invoice page, except you can set it up to recur. And then if you go to checkouts, you can set up online payments here. Under customer statements, you can go ahead and create a statement here, and you can select from the customers list. And then to do that, you basically have to create a customer under the customers tab here. So we can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and create a customer. Let's go ahead and put in the contact information for them. And we'll go ahead and put in the account number and website and their billing info. You can also put in the currency that you'd like here. And then you can go ahead and put in shipping information here if you need to. And once you're finished with that, just click save. And then there you go. We have our first contact here. And when you go back to customer statements, you can create that statement and you can select a customer, and then you'll see my name pop up there. And now on the customers page here, we have one active customer, and we can also import from a CSV file if you'd like to do that as well. And then the last thing under sales and payment here is the product and services, and we can add a product or service that we sell. And then we can go ahead and give it a name, description, price, and sales tax. All right, so that's basically all that you need to know about the Wave Payments platform. We've showed you pretty much everything you can do in here. Go ahead and play around with it yourself. There's still some functionality you probably have to figure out on your own, but we just wanted to give you a brief overview of how to use it. Overall, Wave Payments is an excellent choice for freelancers, contractors, and small business owners. It's a great option if you're looking for a straightforward solution for accounting and payment processing. Wave's simplicity and cost effectiveness make it a strong contender, especially for those already integrated in the Wave accounting platform. So if you found this video helpful and you want to see more videos like this in the future, please leave us a like, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll leave that link to Wave Payments down below in the description. And just know if you do use our link, we get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this, so thank you so much in advance for helping us out. And lastly, this channel is dedicated to providing entrepreneurs and business owners like yourself with free videos and tutorials like the one you saw today. So thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your entrepreneurship journey, and we will see you back in the next video.